Hey guys, Honor all set to launch new smartphone Honor X50 Pro and Honor X50 GT in China for January 2024, and this is the first look hands-on image Honor X50 GT. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with 16GB of RAM up to 1TB storage, and in the camera department, the smartphone comes with dual camera setup, 108 megapixel main camera. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Magic OS 7.2. The smartphone powered by 5800 mAh battery with 35-watt fast charger, and the smartphone comes with three beautiful colors: black, silver, and golden color. And rumor also say that the smartphone selling price is 2000 RMB, which is almost $280 and 24,160 rupee. So let me know in the comment section below your thought Honor X50 GT. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.